Hey guys, so today we are unboxing this Victron charger. This is a Bluetooth charger, believe it or not, and it can charge 24 volt 8 amps. It's got a 5-year warranty, Bluetooth smart charger, IP65 water resistant, and dust and chemical resistant, whatever. This thing has got all the features that a charger needs built into it. You can see here it can charge anything. Over here, well, actually not 12 volts. Over here you've got the specs on it: 24 volt 8 amps, Bluetooth smart charger. There you go. This is the battery sizes that it can charge, the different models. So this 24 volt 8 amp charger can charge 30 to 100 amps. That's the recommended battery size. So yeah, it'll charge those quite quickly, I think. You can see there weight, gel, AGM, calcium and lithium ion batteries is everything it can charge. At the back of the box you can just see that your phone has got a little app there which can communicate with the Bluetooth, and yeah, everything that you need in a charger, I think. On the side here there's also just a few pictures of what you should get or be able to get for this. These are all optional cables, so let's quickly have a look there. You got a little hella plug with a cigarette converter type of plug, extension cables, clamps, and just normal battery ring connectors. And the ones that you do get with this one are the ring connectors and the battery clamps. So let's see what you get in the box. Oh, there's another little seal. Okay, so when you open it up, immediately you're greeted with the charger and the cables. Let's pull this whole thing out. Nothing else is there in the box, so let's just leave that. This thing is quite heavy. It's a beefy charger, feels like. So let's get this whole white carton off. Okay, so what you get are you do get these crocodile clamps already attached to the charger, and you also get these battery ring terminal connector, whatever thing that can stay on the battery with the plug adapter for the charger. And this is for our country, it's got this kind of a plug on there, and that's the charger. Okay, a few things that I quickly read about it is this thing is about a kilogram, 900 grams just to be exact, if that's something you are wondering about, the weight of it. Then the other thing that I can tell you quickly is that this thing has got a 1.5 meter cable on this side and 1.5 meters of cable on the other side. So AC side 1.5 meters, DC side 1.5 meters of cable, and that it can be used as a power supply. So when you press this mode button, you don't need the app to change the lithium ion reconditioning or the normal modes of this device. You can quickly change it by just pressing this little button. Then the app is where you can do much deeper kind of configurations like voltage changes and flow charging control and everything you want to do with in regards to that. So this will be able to screw into a wall also. It has already a piece of rubber foot here, so that will be for screwing it through the wall, I believe. This is another way of fastening it, but yeah, finally. All right, so as I was working here, we have another session of load shedding. Exactly why I got this. Let me just get some lights. Right, I think I'll quickly shoot the rest of this video with this little headlight. Great. So, now this is the Victron charger. If I turn it to the side, you'll be able to see that it's got the description here that it's a 24 volt 24 volt 8 amp charger. It always says on these chargers never to break the connection to the battery before removing the, so they say disconnect the supply before making the break to the connection on the battery. So this has got very thick cables. I think it needs to be a bit thicker than normal, otherwise it would get hot and overheat. Nice serial number. I just don't mind the stuff going on battery now. Alright, so all of these connectors have got these little hooks over here, and when you unplug the cable from the one connector and plug it into the next connector, it's got a nice secure connection there, and it won't pull out until you press down on this and then pull it out. So this is just like a little security clip. Very nice, and you can't put it in the wrong way around. I mean, that doesn't make sense. So this is just a nice way to do it. So the whole thing is just very sturdy and nice. And yeah, I think that's that for the unboxing of this Victron smart charger. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's the unboxing of this. If you want to see a more in detailed video maybe of how I use it, there's a video where I'm using this. Thanks for watching.